2 hours and 28 minutes from Tokyo on a brand new Shinkansen, Kanazawa City, Ishikawa Prefecture. Nikiso is a manufacturer of components for medical equipment and airplanes. This is where world-class products are made.
I believe there's no other company at the same level as us in terms of the capability to make such complex shapes.
Being made here are components for aircraft jet engines. These help to control engine thrust during takeoff and landing. Nikiso was the first in the world to commercialize a product using carbon fiber reinforced plastic. Currently, it is used in 90% of civilian aircraft worldwide. What's more,
We're making hemodialyzers. Our market share in Japan is more than 50%. Worldwide, it's about 20%.
the company will move production of such medical equipment and aircraft use components from Makinohara, Shizuoka Prefecture to Kanazawa and start full-scale operations next month. This plant will be responsible for more than 70% of the company's domestic production by value. But why did they decide to move here in the first place?
There's a more than 80% chance of a major earthquake in the Shizuoka region in the next 30 years. It would be a problem if we aren't able to make products needed to save lives.
Earthquake-related risk diversification. The possibility of an intensity 6 or bigger earthquake in the next 30 years is estimated to be higher on the Pacific Ocean coast than on the Sea of Japan coast. The possibility of a major trembler in Kanazawa is said to be about 7%. Another factor is that expenses for electricity needed to run the factory are about 20% lower than other regions. Hydropower makes up a large proportion of the local utility company's energy mix, making the area less vulnerable to nuclear plant stoppages. Nikiso isn't the only company interested in moving to Ishikawa. Japan Display, a major manufacturer of LCD panels used in smartphones and other devices, announced in March this year that it would invest 170 billion yen to build a new plant in Hakusan. Toray also plans to expand its carbon fiber plant in Nomi next year. The prefecture says this fiscal year, 15 companies are slated to build new plants or expand existing ones in the prefecture, nearly double the figure a year earlier. Prefectural officials are all smiles.
In fiscal 2009, immediately after the financial crisis, there were just 3, so 15 is a really surprising number for us.
The opening of a new Shinkansen line shortens travel time to Tokyo, Osaka, and Nagoya to 2.5 hours. Komatsu Airport is linked to 9 cities in Japan and overseas, while Kanazawa Port is being expanded to accommodate large ships.
Considering the transport of products made here, the location and conditions are extremely good.
The level of education is also highly regarded. Nationwide, Ishikawa Prefecture is second only to Kyoto in terms of the number of residents who have graduated university and other institutions of higher education. With the competition for talent intensifying among companies, the large number of capable workers here is a major advantage. At the Kanazawa Institute of Technology,
Our primary aim is to nurture engineers, so we require our students to gain actual experience making things.
this facility is called Yume Kobo. School is out for spring holidays, but there's a large number of students. Students of the university are free to use the equipment here. Established in 1993, it is the first such facility in the country.
I've always liked making and processing things. The facility is what attracted me and made me come all the way to this prefecture.
The university is among the top-ranked schools in various national competitions held each year, such as robot making. The students are said to have a good reputation among companies, and 99.3% of graduates land jobs, among the highest nationally.
Many big companies have been coming into Ishikawa Prefecture. We hope to nurture students that companies are looking for and match them with suitable employers.
As companies shift production back to Japan, Ishikawa is being seen as a model for the country to re-establish itself as a manufacturing powerhouse.